Bunyag na ang ilang mga politiko sa Senado na manipapit ng mga sindikato ayon sa ilang malalimang imbestigasyon. Ayon sa ulat, isang mambabatas ang hinihinalang tumanggap ng pera mula sa mga kilalang kriminal na grupo kapalit ng pagsulong ng mga proyektong pabor sa kanila. Isa sa mga isyu na tinututukan ngayon ay kung paano nakapasok sa gobyerno ang ganitong uri ng katiwalian. Tukoy na rin umano ang ilang proyekto na ginamit bilang front ng mga sindikato upang maghugas ng pera at makakuha ng malalaking kontrata mula sa gobyerno. Kabilang dito ang mga infrastrukturang hindi pa natapos o kaya't sobrang mahal kumpara sa inaasahang gastos. Ang mga proyektong ito ay itinulak ng mga tinutukoy ng pambabatas na sangkot sa katiwalian at ngayon ay iniimbestigahan na ng mga otoridad. Sa Senado, pinaiigti ng imbestigasyon upang matukoy pa ang mga iba pang mga sangkot sa issue. May mga panawagan din mula sa publiko na magsagawa ng mas malalim na audit sa mga proyektong pinondohan ng pamahalaan. Hangad ng mga mamamayan na maparusahan ang mga mambabatas at opisyal na napatunayang bahagi ng mga katiwalian. At yan nga ang balitang ating pagkakatutukan. Ngunit bago ang lahat, siguraduhin mag-subscribe at hit ang notification bell para sa patuloy na pagtutok sa mga sulyap ng bagong balita sa tunay na boses ng masa.
So nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I may,
kayo,
I just-
Senator
I
De La
just-
Rosa.
sorry,
Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive.
Zombie.
So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi,
Senator De La Rosa.
hindi kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi
Pwede.
nag-materialize ngayon, ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba?
Umamin ka na.
Huli ka ngayon.
Lisa Marcos.
In
sabi mo.
fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack, oh.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yun? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times.
Uh-huh.
The first time po kasi was, there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So
Kaya
ano
po-
pakialam mo dun? Punta ka Indonesia para kausapin si Alice ko. Hindi talaga, ano pa talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNPIG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit na nakakulong
Senator De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath. Ha?
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali
making
kang
up
mahuli
stories,
dito.
sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
You convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot,
Mm-mm.
you can be cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Go Huaping was in Indonesia? Nung panahong yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Go Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement.
So, you heard about it, General Makapas heard about it, or PNP IG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Go Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because
By video?
No,
No.
dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went to
face?
Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Scammer
Okay.
na yan.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor, but that was the words during the time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And
So,
then,
we did not know that she was in Indonesia. She was
we, PNP IG and General Makapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And then?
Your Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair,
Okay.
time.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to meet Jade? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not the first time po, Your Honor, we were not able to talk to Alice Go.
Yes.
The first-
you told me that you told us, the committee, that you went to Indonesia,
Yes,
correct?
Your Honor.
Just
Yes.
to talk to Alice Go and
For
let
her to surrender po. Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to meet Jade? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
Also, who gave you the go signal to talk to her? You being a private citizen, you're not even connected in any government agency here, correct?
Yes, Your
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her, to go to Indonesia, just to talk to her for her surrender?
Well,
Huh?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
You were what? You were just helping.
You are just
Helping who? Helping who, Madam Chair?
Case.
Helping who?
La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you helping who?
Helping.
Sino? Sino tinulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on the
Indonesia, just a minute. Could we ask the BI to confirm si Miss Maslog ba, or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
We will verify your.
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
Mr. Pro Tempore.
Ha? Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. The answer.
Miss Maslog.
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
While you are considering reconsidering your answers to us, so Attorney David, based din sa sinabi ni Miss Maslog, alam nyo at that time na Guo Huaping was out of the country already kasi nag-uusap kayo nagsusubok kayo ni Miss Maslog kumbinsihin siyang surrender. Please come to the mic, Attorney.
No, Your Madam Chair, hindi po. Nalaman ko lang ho nung nahuli yung dalawa.
Nung nahuli sina Cassandra Leong at Sheila Guo.
Yes.
So before that was when Miss Maslog was supposedly together with you convincing Guo Huaping to surrender.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Madam Chair. Because she was coordinating with me and I was also coordinating with her for the surrender. Kasi si Alice wanted to surrender even during those days pa. Pero takot nga because of the threat. So fortunately, they came to me. So yun, there was a negotiation for the surrender. Until I learned that, yun na nga, sabi niya ni Madam Jessica na nasa ibang bansa, hindi ko maalala kung saan. But na-intercept na yung dalawa. So I called her. Is it true na-intercept? Yun, kaya sabi ko, kung talagang nalaman ko for the first time nasa abroad sila.
Madam Chair, if I may,
Senator
just on that, attorney, sorry.
Please.
Why were you trusting her? Why were you talking to her?
Well, as mentioned by her, she was with top brass of the PNP. How can I not trust her?
Top brass?
Did
Sabi niya
you know her
PNP
before?
IG.
Did you know her before?
No,
Yes, Mr.
no, Your Honor. I met her during the... They came to me.
Nung nagka-problema na.
They came to me and they wanted to negotiate with the surrender of Alice, Mayor Alice.
So according to the question of Senator Villanueva, did you trust her? Naniniwala ka kagad?
I trusted her because she was with top PNP brass.
Yung sinasabi niya si General Makaspak?
Yes.
Makapas?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So she's with him, with General Macapas, when he
Yes,
talked,
yes,
they
sir.
talked to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow.
So, Miss Jessica, can you complete the story? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping dun na sa Indonesia?
Actually, it's on the second, yung nahuli na po si Miss Alice. And,
So, paano nangyari?
I really would like to request for an executive session.
Madam,
No.
executive sessions are for matters of national security. You're in this deep already sa pag-narrate nyo sa amin. You might as well not, huwag nyong paiksian yung PC ng mga miyembro ko sa komiteng ito, buuin nyo na yung kwento nyo. Dahil kayo naman po nagsimulang magsabi that on the second trip, you were able to talk to Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kompletuhin nyo na kasi pag,
Okay, Your Honor.
pag napitin, mas nakakagalit.
Okay, Your Honor. On the first time po na nandoon kami, no, we were not able to see Miss Alice Guo. So hindi po siya nag-surrender. There was no communication. of
Anong
Alice
petsa yon?
I cannot remember.
Was that August also? Was that July?
That was few days, I think few days prior to yung I cannot remember, Your Honor. I can
Few
check
days
on-
prior to what?
no, after pala po sa the first time, if I remember right, was nung nahuli pala yung magkapatid po.
Sina Sheila Guo at
Yes.
Cassandra Leong.
Yes po.
And
That was
then-
the first, no. The second was a week after po.
A week after.
Nung nahuli na po si Alice.
But before siya nahuli or after siya nahuli?
That was that day na nahuli po siya.
Okay, so paano nangyari?
I got a call po. I got a text from Indonesia po na
Who
mahuli
texted you from Indonesia?
yung ano po, yung sa tawag ni yung
Ano?
in charge po, yung nakahuli po kay ano.
What?
kay-
Sino?
An Indonesian law enforcement officer texted you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really? Are
Sinungaling
you
yun.
kidding?
Sa bayang bigkasan
Alam
na
mo,
tayo,
alam mo-
SP Pro Tempore.
Alam mo, Marian, mas sinungaling ka pa rito kay Alice Go eh.
Sir, I can show you the text messages
Okay, show
po.
it to us.
Show us the
I
text.
don't have the phone, sir.
So how did you have direct communications with not just Filipino, with an Indonesian law
Because-
enforcement
Because
officer?
we were there the first time nga po eh.
And how did you establish
Galing,
that
no? Scammer kasi.
contact with the Indonesian law enforcement
I was
authorities?
with IG po when I went there to get, nandoon po yung mga pulis din po ng Indonesia.
So IG, you're claiming that PNP IG introduced you and Indonesian police to each other?
It wasn't an introduction po. Magkasama lang po kami during the time.
But magkasama kayo
Nagkakilala po.
and you exchange numbers.
Yes po.
So you had that communication line. Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakitang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.
Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po.
Sino?
Si General Makapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Yun na, huli ka. That she will, at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
No, that's
matagal
what I'm
na
saying.
kung pulis, ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Ha? Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session roll ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio, hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session roll ito.
Sige.
Kung hindi ka magsabi ng totoo.
Sige.
Yun
Sige,
ang
tuloy
nga
mo-
po.
SP Pro Tempore.
Tuloy mo yung kwento mo. She will what?
That kung pwede po, that she will surrender to PNP.
Miss Maslog, baliktad na yung sequence of events. Sinabi na ni Senator De La Rosa, at the time of your second trip para kausapin si Guo Huaping, arestado na siya.
Yes,
No choice na siya na bumalik dito, which is what happened. So wala nang kayong mission na pa-surrenderin siya kasi huli na nga siya. So ano yung agenda nyo sa pagkausap sa kanya?
Actually po, Miss Go Waping and Alice Go po, you can ask po. She has a lawyer po doon sa Indonesia.
Just a minute, before you continue, Ms. Maslog, about the lawyer in Indonesia, General Makapas will be joining us online. So we will be able to fact check with him this amazing story. Please continue.
If I
Senator
may
Joe.
also just put into the records, no, the Senate already gave time in 2000 and 2000 in year 2000. in year 2000, and the Senate found her liable. The same person, Madam Chair, Mary Ann Maslog. The Senate found her liable for false testimony, corruption of public officials, punishable under the revised penal code, violation of the anti-graft law, violation of Presidential Decree number 46, which makes it punishable for private persons to give gifts to government officials and employees on any occasion, falsification of public document, and tax evasion. So, Madam Chair, hindi ko alam kung we need to give more time to this rascal, Madam Chair.
Thank you,
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel. Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I don't know how to deal with this kind of resource person, pero alam mo, I suspect nandoon ka, pupunta ka sa Indonesia because somebody is using you for an irregular operation. Kang lingo-lingo dyan, I am sure. Somebody is using you. I suspect. Ano? Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Ms.
No,
Maslog.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
No?
No, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huwag mo ako lukuhin. Huwag mo ako lukuhin.
I am not, Your Honor.
I have the goods against you. I have the goods against you. But, Madam Chair, next, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I tell you. I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I am sure about it. I will pin you down. Huwag mong gamitin yung pagkamaro mo. Kung dumaan ka na, namatay ka na noon at ngayon bigla kang nabuhay at ngayon ginagamit ka for irregular operations against us. You cannot, hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. I tell you. I tell you. Madam Chair, thank you.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Before I call the SP pro tempore, I have confirmation na pumunta ngang Indonesia si Ms. Maslog. But I will wait for that officially on the record.
Tama, dapat tanungin nila, no? Ayun, dapat tanungin nila kung nakita ba niya si San Pedro kasi namatay na, tapos na buhay. Dapat ganun yung mga tanong.
Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan.
2 days po. 2 days. Opo.
So, sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government po.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
Alam mo,
Philippine government?
hirap na hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpect na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha? Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not the statement. But I'm saying we were talking about ano po sa kanya yung how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
SP pro tempore.
Laruhin ko na lang sa'yo. Ha? Ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon. Ha? Na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG. General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo.
Ayun, oh.
Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha?
Malacanang.
Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam kong impormasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 beses ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Bet. Sige.
At sino kasama mo?
like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We
tinatanong
have
ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po, tsaka ang si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Sinungaling.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor,
O opisyal.
ikaw. Ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No,
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
no, sir.
O ano?
I don't have...
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
O paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
So at this point, I think we should ask General Macapas dahil online na sila. We need to fact-check so many of these things na sinasabi ni Ms. Maslog. General Macapas, online na po kayo. Nakikita namin kayo. Pwede nyo pong buksan yung audio ninyo so we can hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Your Honor.
General. General, hindi pa kayo nakapagsumpa, no? Dito sa hearing namin.
Yes, Your Honor. Wala pa po.
Okay, Comsec,
Si General Macapas,
pakipasumpain si
natin kung ano
General.
sasabihin. Isa pa to. Sa buwatan to guys, sa buwatan. Malacanang.
Sir, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name,
I, Police Brigadier General Romeo Juan Macapas,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will tell the truth,
that I will tell the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth
and nothing but the truth
to this committee.
to this committee.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, Comsec. Salamat, General. General, ang dami po naming naririnig na parang hindi talaga kapanipaniwala, and I hope that you will be the one to help us set the record straight kasi nababaluktot na yata talaga yung storya. Bakit nyo po ni-recruit, isinama si Ms. Maslog para makatawid kay Guo Huaping?
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon sa lahat po. Marami pong salamat.
Yes, sir. So, bakit kinailangan nyo pa si Ms. Maslog para lang tumawid kay Guo Huaping? Sir, are you still online?
IG ka talaga, Macapas ha. Nawawala ka.
Nag-iisip din yan.
General Macapas,
Nag-iisip din niya.
please come back
Ibang
online
klase.
soonest. Ang dami pong mga tanong para sa inyo. Are there any other questions for Ms. Maslog or have we used up our patience
Madam
with
Chair,
this resource
if I
Senator Joel.
may, I as much as I wanted to ask this
Malaking
this,
pera yan, Laling
resource
Garcia.
person, Madam Chair, I'd rather ask someone else.
Yes, Senator Joel. I think
Nauubos
General
yung
Macapas
pasensya
is
ko.
online.
Yeah, if General Macapas is there, we can get
General?
back to him. Yes, I'll
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Salamat.
Naputol po.
Yes, sir. So, you're back online po. So, yun yung unang tanong po namin. Bakit kinailangan nyo pang isama si Ms. Maslog para makakontakt kay Guo Huaping? Not once, but twice sa Indonesia pa.
Ganito po, ma'am, ang nangyayari dyan.
Opo.
Habang hinahabol natin si Alice Go, nag-volunteer si Ma'am Jessica,
Paano siya nag-volunteer, sir?
dahil ano naman nung nagkakilala kami ni Ma'am Jessica 2002,
Paano po?
still the saya of our DCO, pumunta siya sa opisina na bumisita sa boss ko. Boss ko po ay busy, so ako ang kinausap niya. Then that time, palagi na siyang may finifeed na mga informasyon sa akin. So
Over the
yun
past
naman,
22 years,
No,
since
ma'am.
2002.
no ma'am, 2022.
2022, okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
past 2 years.
The past 2 years, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tapos po,
So, nung nangyari itong kay, kay Your Honors, yung itong kay Alice Guo, nag-volunteer siya na may access siya kay Attorney David.
teka, nag-volunteer si Miss Maslog na
May connect siya kay Attorney
may
David.
contact siya kay Attorney David.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi
Madam Chair, before you continue,
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
it is very clear that Mary Ann Maslog is lying before this committee. Sabi niya kanina na siya daw ay in-approach ni General Macapas. Ngayon si General Macapas ang nagsasabi na si Mary Ann Maslog ang pumunta sa kanya, nag-volunteer.
Magandang balita ang hatid namin sa inyo ngayong araw. Sa pagtatapos ng aming balitaan, nagbigay kami ng mga mahalagang impormasyon. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok at pagsuporta sa aming programa. Huwag kalimutang manatili sa mga susunod na araw para sa mga bagong balita at mga kwento na dapat nating abangan. Mula sa Boses ng Masa, magandang araw, Pilipinas!